Are you still living in the same home that you raised your kids, but now they've all graduated college and you're left with 2 to 4 empty bedrooms? Maybe it's time you start thinking about downsizing. Now, that doesn't mean that you have to settle. No, more homeowners than ever are realizing that they can cash in on years of equity, simplify their lives, and finally live on their own terms. A smaller home means smaller bills, fewer repairs, less upkeep, and that means you have more freedom for travel, freedom to have hobbies, and or for your family. And when it's all said and done strategically, you walk away with serious cash, which can fund what's next in your life. Downsizing isn't a step backward, it's a power move. Now, if this is you and you've been considering that this may be the year you want to sell, give me a call or send me a message and I'll be happy to send you a copy of our Sellers and Buyers Guide specifically for today's market. I'm Wendell Hodges, RE/MAX Associates. Look forward to working with you in 2026.